Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we are going to be experimenting with the Kiss Real Short Everlasting fake nails. Now you guys, I am not the type of person that has good luck with these kind of things. Like, they're always popping off like in 24 to 48 hours, especially now that I have kids. I'm constantly doing dishes, laundry, cleaning, all those type of things. They just never seem to last. One of my followers told me to try Gorilla Glue instead of the glue that is provided in the kit. I don't know if I can do that. Like, that's kind of sketch and sus, you know, but I was like, all right, I'm gonna try it. Let's get the nails on and then let's talk about how long they lasted. And if you like these kind of videos, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you get notified every single time I upload a video. Okay, you guys, so these are my nails right here. The things that I'm gonna be using are this little nail kit. So it does have like the cuticle cutter, this Gorilla Glue. I'm gonna be using alcohol, the Kiss nails, the French tip. So let's just go ahead and get right into it. These are the nails, and then it comes with the glue, a little file, and a little cuticle pusher, and then some more nails in here. So I am going to lay this little card down. That way I can put my nails in there. So I'm gonna take them and kind of figure out where they go on my hands. So from what I know is that the smaller the number, the bigger the nail bed is. You want to make sure that the sides of the nail kind of align with your nail. So this one might be a better fit. I might need to trim it up a little bit, but I like that one. Okay, so I've measured out all of the nails to my nails. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to prep my natural nails. So I'm going to use the cuticle pusher that came in the kit. And I'm going to try to push it down on my cuticle. If you don't want to use this tool, you can get some cuticle clippers. They're just angled, so you can just cut it like so. Okay, so I prepped my nails as best as I could. I think one thing that I learned along the way is that you might want to do this when you are fresh out of the shower, because your cuticles are going to be softer and it won't be as hard to do. So now what I'm doing is I'm going to spray my nails with some alcohol and just dry them. So the next step is to buff out my natural nail. And this is going to make it a little bit gritty so that the glue has something to hold on to. Okay, again, I'm going to spray them with alcohol to get rid of any powder or anything like that. And then it dehydrates them, so it kind of gets them nice and dry. There's no moisture in there. I'm going to start with my right hand, simply because I am a right hand dominant. So I think that even if I do have the nails on, I will be able to put them on my left hand. Whereas if I had the nails on my left hand and then try to work on my right hand, that wouldn't work. I'm going to go ahead and start with my pinky finger and then work my way out, leaving my thumb last. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to do a little stroke on the actual nail itself, and then do a stroke on my nails, kind of like I was painting my nails or something. This glue smells identical to the glue that they provide. And then what I'm going to do now is I'm going to scoot the nail and press down. And I'm going to go side to side, making sure that I get rid of any air bubbles. Alright, now I'm going to pull off the tab. I'm not going to mess with it. I'm just going to leave it alone. Moving on to the other fingers. nails are on, and I'm not gonna lie, they do not look pretty at all. Like if you look in closely, you can see a lot of imperfections. The only one that looks a tad bit better is the pinky one right here. That one is probably the only one that actually fits my nail. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take the file and just kind of get rid of that little portion where the tab was. Okay, so now that this is done, I'm going to go ahead and squirt a little bit more alcohol and wipe. The last thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to take this Aveeno Baby Eczema Therapy Balm, and I'm just going to put it all around my nails and like especially around my cuticles, because I have really dry cuticles on some of my nails. So this restores it and it makes them feel so much better. If you have cuticle oil, then I would probably do cuticle oil because that's even better. So there is the final look. They don't look that bad from afar. So I lost the footage of my outro when I actually had them on, and I have to refilm this all over again. So this is why we're seeing this, but I only took like a couple of pictures, so I'm gonna insert one right here. Those nails lasted 5 days, and that was more than I ever expected. I kind of wanted them to last at least a week, but there were a lot of things that I wish I would have done differently. I think I added like way too much glue, so it was just spewing out of everywhere. The 5th day, I think one of them popped off, and I was just like, all right, bye. Today, I decided to try a different brand. This is the Impress brand, and I don't know how I feel about them. These have the glue on the back, and let me show you. This is what they look like. These nails have the sticky tack on the back, so I don't know if I even trust that sticky back. I think they were like $4, so again, not that expensive. So what I did is do the Gorilla Glue on my nail, kind of brushed it on, and then stuck this on there. So hopefully that kind of reinforces the glue that's already on there. But I give these 48 hours because I'm already starting to notice a little bit of like peeling away from the sides. And then the glue is a little bit longer than my own nails, so it is kind of weird. Like they're getting really gross. So inside right there, the actual like tape or ticky tack that they use sticks out further than my nail, and you can kind of see right there the difference in color. I can only imagine how disgusting these are gonna look after a couple of hours of wearing them. Now that I have failed with these two types of nails, I am going to try the Kiss Brush On Gel nail kit. So this is what it looks like. So I'm gonna wait until these pop off, and then I'm gonna try this. I'm gonna film this and see how that goes. So make sure you guys stay tuned. And I'm also going to be ordering a polygel kit, which I'm so excited about because I think that they will form to my fingers a little bit better, and I cannot wait until it gets here. But make sure you stay tuned so I can talk to you guys about this other kit. So that was it for today's video, you guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know what you guys think. What are your favorite nails to wear? Have you tried any of these kits? Have you had any luck? Don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit that notification bell so you get notified every single time I upload a video. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!